Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about new module, that is import chart of accounts and taxes. So for that, click on accounting menu. So click on accounting menu. Here you can see here the import tax menu in configuration menu. So click on import tax button and open the wizard of import tax. So fill information like file option and file. So select file option CSV or XLS. So select CSV file. Here upload your CSV or XLS file. So click on upload and click on tax import CSV. Select tax import CSV file. Now user can download sample file of tax import. So click on download sample file button and download it here. Now fill information of wizard, then go to the import text. So click on import text. Here you can see display message text is successfully imported. Now for imported text, go to the configuration and taxes. So now here you can see the imported tax 15, tax 10%, tax 5%, and tax 8%. Here tax 15 is sales tax, tax 10% is sales tax, 5% is purchases, and 8% is percentage tax. So now here you can see the all imported text. Now after import text, go for the import chart of accounts. So for that you can see here import chart of account menu. So click on import chart of accounts menu and open wizard for import chart of accounts. Here you can select file option and select file for upload. So select CSV file and upload your CSV file here. You can select chart of accounts CSV file. If user download sample file of chart of account, so click on download sample file and download it. If fill all the information of wizard, so now click on import button for import chart of accounts. So click on import button. Here display message chart of accounts successfully imported. For so the chart of accounts, go to the configuration and chart of accounts. Here you can see the inventory, petty cash and marketable securities. 3 chart of account is imported successfully. This is first inventory, this is second petty cash, and third is marketable securities. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.